Claude just destroyed the finance industry. Anthropic dropped 10 finance agents. Sweet. Most job a junior analyst get. Paid 6 figures to do package as a plugin. About 3 of them change the game for everyday investors like you and me. 1, the earning review. Paste in any earnings call and it tells you what management actually said and whether your reason for holding the stock still holds. This is one of the challenging tasks or heaviest tasks in finance. Reading every transcript, crossing it with previous quarter, finding what actually changed. Run /earnings analysis, and a few minutes later, the agent back with the equity research note, segment performance, guidance changes, and so on. The kind of work that can take you about 2 days as a junior analyst can take minutes. The plugin run about 6 different commands. Earning analysis is just one. If you want the full list and the guide, go check the link in the description. Comment guide and I'll send it over. 2, the market researcher. Give it the stocks you own and it gives you a daily brief on every news stories, every announcement, every analyst rating. And what comes back is what most institutional gets in their mailbox. Every news stories across the news, every analyst rating change, every filing that you could probably miss, ranked by what actually moves your money. This used to cost subscription for some people, which can add up and be expensive. And now it's just a plugin. 3, the model builder. Tell it any stock. It builds you a full breakdown in Excel, what it can be worth, what it could grow into, and where the risk sits. You can pick a stock that you are thinking about, /DCF, and Claude pulls the financials in Excel, hands back a fair value range. The whole thing takes minutes versus hours. The same modeling work that can take you about 2 days on analysis. And now, for the first time, retail investors have a similar valuation toolkit. Institutional has been running for years. Full breakdown of the commands, step-by-step guide. Professionals, everyday investors in the guide. Also click the link in the description. Plans including the one built for professionals. And the part that some people skip is that these agents won't tell you what to buy. They're kind of like a surface input to a decision. Every decision is still yours. Data built on bad assumption is still a bad data, right? If you want the full breakdown of what each agent does and how to do it, comment guide or click the link in the description to get the guide. It's free. And remember to subscribe to Claude just destroyed the